Hi, today we're going to look at the letter N. When I do my letter, I use my marker. The reason I use a marker is so you can see it better. I want you to use a pencil, please, because that way if you make a mistake, you can erase it. So in our handy dandy handwriting notebook or boot camp, we have the page that starts with the letter N. Remember, we start off with proper way to hold the pencil or marker or pen. I have my 3 fingers on the bottom. I have my marker sitting on the 3rd finger. See? 1, 2, 3. And then I hold it with these 3 fingers, my first 3 fingers. That way I can write with my fingers and not with my whole hand. Some of you hold it with all your fingers like this, then I have to use my whole hand to write. And my hand will get really tired after just a really short time. So it is better to have proper handwriting. Again, you have your 3 fingers, the pen, marker, pencil lays on top. These 2 fingers hold it in place, and then I can use these 3 fingers to move. See how my hand is not moving? I'm just moving my fingers. Now, the letter N, we start at the top where the number 1 is. We go straight down. Then we go back to the top, connect, and go at an angle. And then we go straight up. One more time. First, we go down, straight down over both lines. Then we go at an angle and go straight up. One more time. Down, angle, up, down, angle, up, down, angle, up. See how I did my whole line? Now on the next couple of lines, I'll just do an example. And that one at the end, if I would have had a pencil, I would have erased it. But since I don't have a pencil, I'm going to use my marker and make it pretty. There you go. Now, I'm going to make my ends. On the next line, we're going to go the same way, down, down at an angle, and straight up. When you do it, you're going to do the whole line. I start at the top line, I go down at an angle, and straight up. Then I'm going to go to the one with the dot. This is my starting point. Remember, I go down at an angle, and up. Now go to my next starting point. Down, straight down, 2 lines, down at an angle and up. Now you're going to finish all the way to the end until there's no more letters or no more dots. Because I'm just doing a couple of examples. So now let me scoot that up a little bit. I have some students that think there's nothing on this line, so I have to do nothing. No, this is where you practice how to write without starting points. However, I know I have to go down as an angle, and straight up. So there's my N. And look, it looks more or less like that one. Let me do one more. I go straight down at an angle, and straight up. There's my N. Now, if I dip my N's, I can move straight on to the M. And my M is kind of the same way, but a little bit different. So we need to pay attention. So for the M, I go straight down. I go down to the middle, and then I go back up. And then I go straight down. One more time. I go straight down. I go down in the middle, go back up, go back down. One more time. Go down, go back down, go back up, go back down. Let's do all of these. We go down, go down, go down, go down. We go down, down, down. All right. Now I'm going to do my dotted line. I go down to the middle, go back up, and go back down. One more time. Do you see how this is straight down? Down at an angle, up at an angle, straight down. Down at an angle, up at an angle, straight down. And look, here I have my starting point. And see all these dots that come through? That's why I don't want you using a marker, because that way it does not bleed through. So I'm going to go down, straight down. Then I go back to my starting point, angle, angle, straight down. Down, angle, angle, straight down. Down, angle, angle, straight down. Do you see how there's a big space? Sometimes when the letters are big, we make a big space in between. Now this line I have nothing, so I go down, angle,